They came from far away, a white cat and a panda, drawn by something they couldn't explain. In the bamboo maze, they met others, a red panda, a fox, a wide-eyed rabbit. Each heart beating to the rhythm of wonder. The rivers whispered, every ripple a message, every stone a sign. In mirrored lakes and rustling trees, they saw reflections, not of themselves, but of something greater. Storms rose, but even thunder knows who sent the rain. One leaped through branches, over silence, not just forward, but upward. They climbed, where the earth reached for heaven. The tiger stood proud, not king, but servant to the one who shaped the mountains. And there, on the highest peak, they saw it, not with eyes, but with hearts. Everything pointed, the trees, the clouds, the sky itself, to the one beyond all things.